Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to start a new game in Menace. To start a new game, of course, press the new game button, although I recommend you start with a tutorial. It is here for a reason. The game can be quite hard if you don't know what you are doing. Of course, if you already played the tutorial, you can press the new game button. Then you can set the difficulty either to normal, challenging or expert. Set it to whatever you like, and then you can either hit the random seed button or toggle it off. As you can see, this is the set seed that you start with, but you can press whatever combination you prefer. Anyway, and you can enable Iron Man. What does Iron Man do? Usually it means that there is basically no saves coming and you can earn achievements. I will go with Random Seed and Iron Man. And then simply hit Start Game. Now name your Iron Man save game. I'll stick with Iron Man. Of course I can double click and change the name to whatever. But honestly no, for the sake of the demonstration I'll set it to test. And then hit continue. Wait for the game to load. And you'll be able to pick your squad leader. Of course, look at what they do, what their perks are, what their stats and attributes are. I'll hit surprise me. And now you are in the game. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.